I create a app called FastQuizz. Is a app that use AI, Google Gemini API to generate a quiz based on a PDF that the user or a teacher that will be upload PDF or for a lecture or a question. Let's say a demo. The user will upload the PDF from here. Okay, I choose this file because it's is a small size and click on submit. The API Gemini process the file and generate a question based on that file. This is will the teacher will ask the student to scan this QR code. This is a student after scanning the QR code and answering on all the questions. We have quizzes page, a page that show all the quiz in the app. So this is the last quiz we create. I think created at this is one, the last one, and when we click on this button, it redirect us to analyze page. Thank you.